What's up, YouTube family? Alright, let's go. So hopefully you've already seen my video I made on Gala nodes and how we plan on making over $4,000 a month just from running our founders node. They're still for sale. Right now there's probably only about 10,000 left since there's only 50,000 that's ever going to be sold. So now we're going to be talking about Townstar, the game that's currently running on Gala Games. This is just another way to make some extra money. If you're like me, you like the passive income, you like doing a little bit of work and getting some rewards. So today I'm going to show you guys how I'm making currently over $600 a month just by playing this game for a few minutes a day. Woo! Let's go! Basically how it works is every 24 days you have to rebuild your farm, right? So if you ever played like Farmville, or there's a game on Apple Arcades that's kind of similar to this. There's a few of them out here like this. Basically, you build up your farm, and you can do a lot of different things. And I'll show you guys on the screen real quick. If I click this picture right here, I had 23 hours and 55 minutes to complete the challenge, right? So the challenge is to get 1,000 stars. So I have two NFTs that I've already bought. And it's based on how many NFTs you own for the game. So I have an NFT that's worth 11 town coin. I have two of them, right? So that's 22 town coin I can earn a day by playing this game and earning 1,000 stars. So I'm going to show you guys how fast I can do that, and it's pretty easy. So like I said, it's 24-day increments. So basically when that 24-day period starts over, it takes a few hours to basically set all this up, the farm, and then it runs pretty much on its own. And you can basically just have already your amount that you need to sell that day to earn your 1,000 stars. So as you guys can see, this timer just started over. So I'm going to show you guys. So we have 6 days left in this cycle that I'm currently in. So basically this town that you see here is going to stay like this basically just for the next 6 days. And every day before the timer runs out, I'll log in, run for about 5 minutes or so, sell what I need to sell to get the 1,000 stars, and then I'll earn my 22 town coin for that day. Now right now town coin is currently worth about 93 cents. So we'll just call it $1. So I'm basically earning almost $22 a day. It's $20.50 to be exact. And if you add that up, $20.50 for 30 days, that's over $600 a day. So, I mean, no, I'm sorry, $600 a day. That's over $600 a month. So it's pretty crazy that you can do this. So if you guys have been a part of crypto, if you've been a part of play to earn gaming, you guys have seen this in the headlines. This is what it's all about. Everybody plays games, right? There's millions and millions of dollars in games, and now players actually own the content. Since I own these NFTs, I earn the rewards for playing this game. I could take this reward out of the game. I could sell it to one of you guys. I could sell it to anyone because I actually own it. So it's really, really cool. And this is the new standard for gaming. There's a ton of new games coming out. They're all what we call play to earn gaming. So make sure you guys look into it. If you're not already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We make sure that we put out content that helps the average person get ahead. Thankfully, we were able to retire in April of this year, 2021, a day before I turned 28, and we've made a lot of money in crypto, and now it's all about finding things that we can put money into to cash flow money and keep the ball rolling. So take care of the fam. That's what we're trying to do, put content out for you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button so we can send the YouTube algorithm, the good vibes that this video is awesome. So, all right, let's do it. So let's see what the timer's at. We'll wait for this to get down to 23 hours and 52 minutes and 30 seconds, and then I'll start selling so I can show you guys how easy this is. All right, it just hit 30. So what I'm going to do, I put this on low quality mode just so it's not bogging my computer down, since I'm also, recording the screen and 1,000 other things at the same time. I should have already clicked this so it could load the stuff up. But basically, wherever you're placed in the world, you're gonna sell to your nearest city. So I am selling to Atlanta right here. So I'm making 45,500. It's gonna take 37 seconds because I'm pretty close to the city. All right, let's get this going. It took a minute for that to load, so that's gonna add a little bit of time to our wind down clock. I guess it was what, it was 23 hours, 52 minutes, and 30 seconds, I think. So let's see. All right, so these 2 bars right here is our 2 delivery guys. So we got one person about to come back. All right, boom. Click sell again. All right, send them on another run. Now what I'm doing in this game is I am selling wool. So I can make another video on how to do that. There's a bunch of different strategies. There's tons of different things that you can sell. But I'm doing wool. And let me go ahead and click this, sell. I can tell my computer's being a little laggy just because I'm recording the screen and everything at the same time. So it normally wouldn't go quite this slow. But basically, when I sell wool, I'm getting 120 stars per time I sell. So I really only need to sell like 8 times or 9 times, I forget, to get my stars for the day. So if you guys can see, I already have over here built up 103 wool that I can sell. So I have 10 loads that I can sell right here to get the money I need for the day. So basically, you just let your computer run for 30 minutes or so, and it does enough work to have enough stars to sell to get my reward for that day. All right, boom, hit sell again. All right, this truck's back. Boom, collect that, hit sell again. And there's videos out there where you guys can look and see how to play the game, and I can make some videos for you guys on, you know, what to do, how to set stuff up. But this video specifically is just about how I'm going to play this game basically for like 5 minutes and earn almost, you know, over $20 today. So, and I'm doing that basically every day where I just log in for a few minutes and, you know, do what I'm doing now. I hit sell for, you know, 10 times basically, however long that takes. Normally it's 5 minutes or so, and boom, there's $22 for that day, and that's over $600 a month. And what's awesome is that the town coin is actually going to be going up in value. So what I'm making now, I'm actually not even cashing out yet. So the town coin, so basically it goes into your treasure chest where you have 22 town coin that day. So I'm just kind of accumulating that, and then at some point I'm going to transfer it to a wallet and then sell that town coin. So, you know, say I sell that town coin at $2 instead of $1, then really I've been making $44 a day this whole time. So it's kind of cool. You know, you can sell whenever you want to. You can hold on to it. Let's see, both my trucks are back, so let me go ahead and click sell again. Man, I hate how laggy my computer's being since I'm recording and the screen and all this at the same time. It's acting all kinds of slow. Not to mention I have 4 little boys, so I'm sure there's 4 iPads connected to the Wi-Fi somewhere floating around the house. Get rid of that. Boom. All right, let's go. Let's go. Man, I hate that this is being so laggy. I feel like it's ruining our time. All right, let's see. Come on. Come on. So, yeah, so while we're waiting on these trucks to get back, I'm doing sheep. So, here's the sheep pen. I have 5 of them. You know, basically once all these numbers fill up, this timer runs down, and then your little workers will go over there and collect the wool. And then once you get 10 wool, you can sell them. So you can see all the stuff I have for sale here. You know, we got electricity, we have wheat, we got some milk. I was checking out lumber, wool yarn, water, eggs. Wool is 45,000 though, so you get a pretty good chunk of money to keep your place going. So not bad. I'm not trying to win the game. I'm not trying to be in the top 100. Basically just trying to get that 1,000 stars a day. So far we have 840 stars out of 1,000. So almost there. As soon as these 2 trucks get back, we're going to be done for the day. Boom. So you're going to see this circle right here turn green when I click this right here to collect that money. All right. This just shows the lag. Jeez. All right. Cool. There we go. All right. 23 hours, 45 minutes, and over 30 seconds left. We're going to click this. You've earned 22 town coin. We're going to hit collect rewards, and boom, 22 bucks right there. Pretty sweet. Play to earn gaming really is changing. It's going to change everything on how we do things, how games work. When the players actually own the content, it really is going to change a lot of stuff. So make sure you guys check out the video I just posted a few days ago on Gala Games and the founders node that I got so I can be running, help supporting the network. There's probably a few thousand left by the time you're watching this. So if you're interested in something like that, if you're interested in pushing play to earn gaming forward, then look into one of those. Definitely a good asset to have on your hands. And subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Make sure you give us this video a thumbs up if you like the content, if you like what we're doing here, if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know. Make sure you leave a comment below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We made 22 bucks. We're going to do that every day in just a few minutes and make over $600 a month. And hey, hopefully the price of town coin doubles and it's $1,200 a month by the time we cash out. So appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video.